Hey Tartlets, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be recreating, or trying to recreate, one of Manny MUA's makeup looks. I just saw that he had done this video trying to recreate one of Jaclyn Hill's videos, so I thought this would be really fun and I'm gonna try it out and then we'll get his reaction at the end. The video I'm gonna be recreating is this bold and easy cut crease. Now for this video, I'm going to be using all Tarte products, so it will be slightly different, but I'm going to try to do the exact same thing using all Tarte products. So to get started, I'm going to use the Tartelette Toasted palette. We're going to go ahead and take the shade Cashmere and also Sunrise. So we're going with these two right here. So Manny dips into those two shades and then he says to just go along the crease using a fluffy brush and try to stay away from the lid. So we're gonna do that. So next Manny uses kind of like a reddish pink shade and he mixes it in with another shade. So for the reddish pink shade, I'm gonna go in with our Natural Beauty Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and I'm just gonna mix it with a little latte right here back in the Toasted palette. And this is gonna go a little bit lower in the outer corner. I feel like mine looks a little bit more warm tone than I like his. His looks like kind of like pinkish. Mine doesn't look so pink, but we're trying. Alright, so then Manny takes that red shade again and he goes in with a brush like this and he mixes it with a darker, like a taupe color. So we're gonna mix that with, we're gonna go a little crazy and we're gonna mix it with this shade right here, which is Fireside, back in our Toasted palette. So he says he likes to do this with this kind of brush so he could just really pack it in and get it very precise. It could be messy, that's okay, because we're gonna go back and blend it. Alright, so now Manny says comes the hard part. I was having enough trouble keeping up with you on the regular eye look, so now we're gonna throw in a curveball. This is when we do the cut crease, which is like the main part of this look, so bear with me. Alright, so you're gonna take a concealer, any concealer. I am, of course, using our Shape Tape, and I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, like this. And then what Manny does is take a flat brush. So I'm going to use, this is actually a brow brush, but then he takes it and he saturates both sides of the brush with the product. And then we're going to go in and we're going to cut that crease. Alright, so Manny does not recommend just going straight across the lid in one straight swoop. He recommends that you just start in the inner corner and you just slowly, I'm very nervous, make a line. Already my line is like, I feel like off to a bad start. Okay, I need help. Send help, send help. So Manny says he pulls his eye hot. Manny, what happens if you mess up? I think I totally messed this eye up, but we're gonna keep going. Manny then uses a shade similar to Sunrise and just packs it all over on top of that concealer just to kind of set it and to avoid creasing. Manny goes in and he kind of mixes all the shades that he used and he just packs on the outer corner and kind of blends it in so that the concealer doesn't have that like harsh line. Now we're just taking and going on the lower lash line with a mixture of shades, again any of the shades we used, and just drawing it on that lower lash. And I just went back and I mixed the two blushes and the shade Warmth from the Toasted palette, and I'm just lining the lower lash. Next, Manny says to take a cream or white liner and line the lower waterline. So I'm using our Fake Awake, and I'm just going to go ahead and line that lower lash line. And then next we're just gonna add a wing, and I'm gonna use our Sex Kitten liquid liner, and then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. All right, here is the final look. I don't know that I totally did it as well as Manny did here, but I actually really like it, and I honestly liked putting the Fake Wake in my waterline. I feel like it made my eyes look like a different color, which I like. All right, so here is the picture that I'm gonna send Manny right now, and we'll see what he says. I'm laughing hysterically at Manny's response right now. He said, you look amazing, such a freaking cutie if I was straight. I love you, Manny. I love you. I love you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these where I try out a YouTuber's look. Let me know down below, and until next time, I'll see you later, tartlets. Bye. I just can't stop laughing. Oh, I love him.